For centuries, humans have searched for patterns. In the stars. In numbers. In markets. We believed that if we collected enough data, the future would eventually reveal itself. But the future never arrives as a continuation of the past. It arrives as a rupture. Markets are not machines. They are living systems. Sensitive. Adaptive. Unforgiving. And every attempt to control them only exposes how little we truly understand. Big data watches history. But history is quiet until it breaks. It does not warn us before a collapse. It does not announce innovation before it spreads. It only explains disasters after they happen. So we began asking a different question. Not what happened, but what is trying to happen. This is where classical thinking fails. Because classical systems see the world in fragments. One variable at a time. One outcome at a time. But reality does not move in straight lines. It emerges. Quantum systems do not analyze reality. They inhabit it. They do not choose a single path. They explore all possibilities simultaneously. In this space, information behaves strangely. Distance loses meaning. Cause and effect blur. And prediction becomes something else entirely. A quantum oracle is not a predictor of prices. It is a listener. It listens to weak signals hidden beneath noise. To interactions too subtle for linear models. To patterns that exist only briefly before becoming obvious. It does not ask the market what it did. It asks the market what it is becoming. Imagine seeing stress in a system before panic appears. Imagine detecting scarcity before shortages are announced. Imagine recognizing the shape of a recession while optimism still dominates the headlines. Not by guessing, by observing emergence. This is not foresight in the traditional sense. It is presence. Being aligned with systems. At the moment they shift. But here lies the paradox. The more accurately we can predict the future, the more we interfere with it. And the moment prediction becomes widespread, it stops working. Because markets react not only to reality, but to expectations. So the question is no longer, can we predict the future? The question is, should we? Quantum oracles are not magic. They are mirrors. They reflect the complexity of the world back at us. And what they show is unsettling. Because the closer we get to certainty, the more fragile the system becomes. Perhaps the true power of quantum prediction is not in timing trades, but in understanding limits. Understanding that some futures should be approached with humility. The market has always punished arrogance. And the universe has never rewarded certainty. If the future becomes visible, it will demand responsibility. And that may be the hardest part of all. Subscribe if you want to explore where technology, philosophy, and markets collide. Because once prediction changes, everything else must change with it.